Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your JLL Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and in the Google search bar search for JLL Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the login portal of JLL Mortgage. Now, write down your JLL username, your account password, and click I am a client of JLL and using my own corporate credentials to access JLL applications. Now, you can write down your password, click on remember my user ID, and then you will be remembered the next time you log in. After you enter your username and password, click on sign in, and then you can successfully sign into your JLL Mortgage account. In case your account is locked or you want to reset your password, these are the links you want to go through. I hope this video about how you can log into your JLL Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.